Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to my Maths online class. Today we are going to discuss exercise 4.1. So all of you open your books, page number 38. See question number 1. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? What kind of numbers are they? So in our last class we have discussed the divisibility rules. Do you remember that? See, the numbers which are divisible by 2 has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in one's position. So in these numbers we have to check whether one of these numbers are present in the ones position or not. We have to only see the ones position. See here, ones position 9 is present. This is not divisible by 2 because among this number no one is present here in ones position. Okay, now see example B, 59,234. Here in ones position 4 is present. So because of this entire number is divisible by 2. Next see 47,893. Here in ones position 3 is present. Because of this number is not divisible by 2. Again see this number. Here in ones position 8 is present. So we know that if 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is present in the ones position, that number will be divisible by 2. So this is divisible by 2. See this 69,175. Here in ones position 5 is present. So this is not divisible by 2. Here 0 is present. So this is divisible by 2. Understand? See question number 2. Find the number divisible by 3 in the following. Here some numbers are given. We have to check whether they are divisible by 3 or not. So we know the divisibility rule of 3, that we have to find out sum of each of the digits, and we have to check whether the sum of the digits is divisible by 3 or not. If the sum is divisible, then that number will be divisible by 3. Let's take this example. This is the example. We have to find out the sum of the digits. 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3. So the answer is 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 3 14. So this 14 is not divisible by 3. So this number will also not divisible by 3. Okay, this is not divisible by 3. We are going to take another example, example B. First of all, we have to find out the sum of each of the digits. 3 plus 8 11, 11 plus 5 16, 17 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. This is divisible. So we can say that this number is also divisible by 3. Understand? Again see this example. See 7 plus 2 9, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we know that 18 is divisible by 3. So therefore this number is also divisible by 3. Okay students. Now see question number 3. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 9? So do you remember the divisibility rule of 9? The sum of the digit should be divisible by 9. This is the divisibility rule of 9. So by follow the rule, we have to check whether these numbers are divisible by 9 or not. Let's take an example A. So like divisibility rule of 3, we again have to add all the digits to check the divisibility by 9. 2 plus 0 plus 4 plus 3. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So we know that 9 is divisible by 9. So we can say that this number 2043 is divisible by 9. Okay students, again see this example B. We are going to add all the digits. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 4, 19, 20. So we know that 20 is not divisible by 9. Therefore 7841 is not divisible by 9. Understand students? So like this, you have to find out the others. Okay, this is your homework. You have to submit me. Now see question number 4. Check the divisibility by 2, 3, 5, 9, 10 and 11 of the following numbers. Complete the table by putting tick for yes and for no. So let's take an example. Example A. See this. We have to check whether this number 1009, this number will be divisible by 2, 3, 5, 9, 10, 11 or not. We have to check divisibility by each of the digit one by one. So first of all, we are going to check whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. So according to the divisibility rule, we know that if 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, any number from here, if this present in the ones position, then that number will be divisible by 2. So here in ones position 9 is present. Among these numbers, no one is present here. So we can say that 1009, this number is not divisible by 2. Understand? Again we are going to check 1009 is divisible by 3 or not. To check divisibility by 3, we have to find out the sum of each of the digit. So which is 10. We know that 10 is not divisible by 3. Therefore this number is not divisible by 3. Okay? By 5, we know that to divisible by 5, in ones position there must be 0 and 5 present. See this here, in ones position 9 is present, 0 or 5 is not present here. So this is also not divisible by 5. Understand? Again say by 9. So to check divisibility by 9, again we have to add all the digits of this number, which is 10. We know that this 10 is not divisible by 9. Therefore this number is also not divisible by 9. Okay? By 10, we know that if a number has 0 in ones position, then that number will be divisible by 10. But here 9 is present. Because of this, this number is not divisible by 10. Okay? By 11, the divisibility rule of 11 is we have to first add alternate digits. After that we have to find out difference of that sums. Okay? So first of all, alternate got 1 plus 0. See, 1 plus 0 is equal 1. Then 0 plus 9, 9, which is 9. And now we are going to find out the difference. 9 minus 1, which is 8. The difference should be 0 or multiple of 11. But here 8, we got 8, which is not 0 and which is not the multiple of 11. So because of this particular number is not divisible by 11. Okay, so like this you have to find out the others. Okay, this is your homework. Okay students, so it's your today's class. Submit your homeworks by today evening. Okay, so in our next class we will learn about prime and composite numbers. So thank you, have a great day ahead.